I'm going to show you how I sew the tips to the tip holder. I used the closure part for attaching the tips. This is the start chain, and then you crochet up, and then you close the gap by sewing, and then you attach the tips and sew. Here I use, like, I first attach them with the pins, and then like insert my needle somewhere here and try to take it out as close as possible, like this. And I'm trying to protect the round shape of the tip. And here I need to remove this one, and I use, like, it's not easy while looking at the camera, so like that. Pull the yarn and see where it sits, and then I insert my needle into the same hole, and then, like, let's say I will need to correct this one and try to see that it's on the line. While sewing they may change place, so let's remove this one also. Let's find our gap. It was this one, so we will use this one and this one. Oops, like that. Pull. Let's pull tightly and see if it's still on the place. And then here you put in the same, insert in the same hole, and let's take it out from somewhere here. And then let's see again where we are, and then I may need to remove this one also, and you can put it somewhere here and see where it's coming out, like that. Pull the yarn and again insert to the same place and take it out somewhere. This is not okay.